All right. So you've been getting data, right? Rows and rows of data. But what happens when you get a question that does not require tens of thousands of rows? Question like, how many customers do we have? How many customers do we have? Another question could be, how many orders? How many orders are there? Okay, this year. All right. So let's say that how much total revenue? So I'm just thinking about the Zoomi data set, right? So how much total revenue does Zoomi have? It goes on and on like that. Now, all these are aggregate questions. That's why they are called aggregations. Okay. In simple terms, what aggregation simply means is summarizing data. Okay. So that's just what it means. It means summarizing data. That means you are going to join multiple data sets. It's like summarizing a range of values. All right. So that's just it, just summarizing a range of values. Another way you can consider aggregations is something that requires just one whole number as a result of so many numbers or values put together. Okay, so let's just quickly check what Google is going to say about aggregations. Okay, so let's say this is aggregations. Can you just tell me the meaning of aggregation? So it's the formation of a number of things into a cluster. All right. So let's see if we can have another kind of meaning. Another kind of meaning. Oh, okay. So it's the same. Let me click show more. Aggregation is simple words. An aggregation is a collection or the gathering of things together. So all this is just for you to understand what we're about to get in and to understand what aggregation really is. Okay. So one of the common aggregations is counts. If you see these, we have how many customers do we have? We are talking about counting the number of customers. All right. How many orders are there this year? It's also talking about counting the number of orders. So we are going to be dealing with these common functions, and then we go to other functions that are used primarily for aggregation. Okay. So see you in the next.